ఇవాళ మనం వరల్డ్ హెరిటేజ్ డే సెలబ్రేట్ చేసుకున్నాము. అంటే హెరిటేజ్ ప్రాపర్టీస్కి వీఆర్ బ్రింగింగ్ దాట్ గ్లో అండ్ చామ్, ఓల్డ్ గ్లో అండ్ చామ్, బికాజ్ ఇక్కడ చాలా ప్రాపర్టీస్ నెగ్లెక్ట్ చేసేసారు. బట్ దిస్ వాజ్ అ వెరీ బ్యూటిఫుల్ లొకేషన్. ఇట్ వాజ్ రినోవేటెడ్ లాస్ట్ ఇయర్ and we have many properties like these heritage properties. They are like in gifts from our ancestors, so it's a pride to celebrate our heritage and culture. Particularly Hyderabad has lots of heritage and culture which has to be spread across the world, and every citizen's responsibility to do it their part. And from our end, through MEIL Foundation and Sudha Reddy Foundation, we'll try to do whatever we can and whichever we can, and wherever, anywhere in the world. Thank you so much.
ఇవాళ మీరు
round off to the musicians.
But thank you, and I'm happy with the rain. Actually, rain is not included in the dance theme, but I think God want to come. Rain God also want to be here and raised us. So it's a positive sign, and God bless all of you. Thank you so much. Thank you to each and every artist who sweated a lot from the body, from top to bottom. We're enjoying there in the nice weather. It was ultimate. I think these old heritage properties